All right, the heuristic hazard of the day is the unit bias. The unit bias is a tendency for individuals to want to complete a unit of a given item or task. People want to finish whatever portion they have, no matter what size. It's a perception of completion that is satisfying to people. And so we have set a goal in the back of our head, and we just don't want to finish it until we get there. Have you ever been in the middle of a project and just did not want to stop until you were done? Like you're folding laundry and you're like, I just can't stop until I finish folding these socks, right? You're do not want to stop the chain effect. What will happen oftentimes during dieting and exercise is we'll set the goal saying, hey, I want to lose weight. I want to lose a certain number of pounds, or I want to eat a certain way. And so we have a goal. But that goal becomes a big, massive goal. And we're looking at this unit, we're looking at this very large unit of saying, hey, I have to take on this big diet plan. And so we're looking to take this on to completion until it's satisfied. But the problem is we don't satisfy that thing because you can't achieve your goals from dieting within a span of a day or 2 days or a week. And so then, therefore, we are trying to do more than we can. We're biting off more than we can chew. So to prevent that, the real solution we think here is to actually take ourselves and break down our goal into things we can achieve, right? So it's like I want to eat 30 grams of protein per meal per day. Then if you're looking back at the unit bias, at the tendency for us to want to complete that given item or task, it's a much smaller unit, right? So it's like I want to continue to keep eating 30 grams of protein per meal per day. So for yourself, when it comes to your diet and your nutrition plans, instead of being broad and picking something like saying, hey, I want to eat healthier as my goal, we obviously know that that's not going to work. But if we look at the unit bias and we break things down into small units, saying, hey, I want to do the goal of going to the grocery store. That'd be a good name for a grocery store on the beach. The grocery store. But anyway, you know, if you set the goal to go to the grocery store, if you set the goal to meal prep, if you set the goal to say, I'm going to eat 4 times today and this is what I'm eating, right? You've broken your goals and down into smaller units, and you can actually use the unit bias for you instead of letting that be a heuristic hazard against you. Okay, so with that, we're going to go into the habit roll call of today for Thursday's check-in from yesterday. Okay, so moving on over to the habit roll call.
The world famous habit roll call.